We're in Amsterdam, baby. So editor, don't let me be super cringe on that. Please put some references here or there or somewhere about that video we were in Stockholm before. I'm going to put it in the card as well here so you can see it later. But yeah guys, we're in Stockholm now. Not in Stockholm, we are in Amsterdam now. And hey, Alec is here. Say hi, Alec.
What's up?
Yeah, your favorite Jason Momoa, Aquaman is there.
Dream team is back.
So yeah, we came to Amsterdam to do a workshop. Super interesting one. I'm going to bring a little bit more updates on that a little bit later on the video. But guys, okay, stop here, Alec. I have a very serious public announcement. Netherlands. Why so narrow stairs? What the Like really, you need to go this every time I come to this country. The first building I enter, I remind, okay, yeah, I am in Amsterdam again. So you come to any stairs on the country and you barely can fit your feet lengthwise. So you have three strategies basically. You either go down the stairs like this, that's my current strategy, right, on the side, or you do the whole can opener strategy, which is basically like this. Right? But that's not something that you really want to do. But Alex said that this is something that you get used to. Then you just go down the stairs using your heel. But my brain can't fit that. I just feel in danger stepping with my heel on the stairs. But hey, another very serious public announcement here for Netherlands people. Okay, you guys need to do a revolution on this country, guys. Why the hell it's so tense to walk on the streets here with the bikes? I never feel relaxed at all. It feels like you are in a war zone. You go to cross the street here, it's like this. What the hell is happening? But again, Alex said it's just getting used to it and that everything gets better after. But hey guys, we are doing a hackathon today as well. Not really a hackathon, but we're going to get together during the night, spend a little bit of, let's say, a little bit of 20 hours working during the night.
Midnight oil.
Midnight oil, yes. But that's going to be after the workshop. So we do the workshop every day for 4 hours during the day. We rented this Spaces workspace. Maybe you have heard about it before. It's almost like a WeWork, but a not bankrupted one. But yeah, we rented an office there, and the consultant is coming every day. 4 hours we get together and we go through all these topics. We're probably going to bring an interview with him later as well, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, let's get to work, guys.
What's up, guys?
What's up?
Alec here. So it's been a while since I gave you guys an update. So I'll tell you guys what I'm up to. So we're busy with trial periods for subscriptions. So a rundown of the feature is basically like we've got a lot of feedback from the merchants that they would love for us to capture a customer's infos, credit card information, and then start charging them after a certain period of time so that the customer can try out the product before they have to commit to the product. So that's what we're doing now. We're adding trial periods into the product page. So when you create a product, you can pretty much define how many days you would like this customer to try out the trial. Saying out loud, it sounds pretty simple, but the complexity behind this is that our entire system was built with transactions in mind. We didn't take into account from day one that subscription would ever exist without a payment. So now the big challenge we're facing is that how do we create subscriptions without payments and kind of still send out invoices to customers so that they still have record that they have the subscription in the customer portal, but without any actual transactional data. So that's one of the big challenges we have to solve tonight, actually. Don't really have a choice. It needs to be done today. Yeah, so that's what we're working on today. What else are we working on? So we've been working on updating subscription pricing. The whole idea is guys, like as a product evolve, you would love to charge more. You know, inflation happens, pricing changes. So let's say if your AI project and your AI API prices went up, of course you need to charge more. So we worked on that. So you can now update your product pricing for new subscriptions. We do not support upgrading historical subscriptions just yet on the same product. That will probably be coming in the next week or two. But yeah, at least now you can at least update the pricing of your existing products. Yeah, and that's pretty much it.
Alright guys, right now it is, I don't even know what time it is. Okay, it is 6 p.m. We just left the co-working space that you guys saw from before in the B-roll footage. I think we actually recorded some pretty good B-roll footage. We got a better room just to record some nice views there. But today was very exhausting. Not because we went through a lot of work per se, but it was mostly about copy and landing page. And as you guys know, you guys probably have a micro SaaS or some type of digital business. You know how important copy is to convert, right? So yeah, we spent, I think it was 3.5 hours literally only discussing, hey, should we point this dot here or there? So quite exhausting day. But yeah, now we are coming back to the apartment. We're going to put some, let's say, quote unquote, real work. Sorry about the marketers there watching the channel. But yeah, we hope to push building public dashboards today, which is going to be huge, but probably we're not going to announce on Twitter yet. So if you're watching this video, you have an alpha already. You can already go to the settings that you're going to see on the screenshots that we're going to push, and you can already use it. But hey, Alec deployed free trials yesterday. Now we just need to do some adjustments on the customer portal. But yeah, everything looking good. And guys, there is one thing that you're going to see on the landing page. It's a little bit hidden. I'm going to give a tip here. It starts with AI and super cool. You guys are going to see it very soon. But hey, we don't have that deployed yet. We don't have that done yet. Nice job, cameraman, with all that handwork there. You guys can see some preview tips on the landing page, and we're going to bring more news on that soon. By the way, let me know if you guys want to see a little bit more about the background of what we're doing, about the updates, more coding work, more screen sharing, or even us coding on the terminal itself. So yeah, let us know what you'd like to see more. And yeah, we're going to come back soon. See you guys. Alright guys, it's Friday. We just finished an intense, a little bit exhausting week. But right now, I'm going to say, no, wait. Should I make a joke about red light district?
The payment provider.
Okay. Alright guys, it's Friday. Ooh, there's a bike coming. We are in Amsterdam, as you can see, right? And we just finished an exhausting week. A lot of work was done during this week, and we have been chilling a lot with Curtis. Curtis used to work at Lemon Squeezy, and we chilled a little bit together, and man, it was very productive. Curtis, I would like to ask you just a little bit on why do you think Cream is awesome? Especially because of our vision and how we see the world changing, right? I think that we share a lot of common points on how we see the world developing in 10, 15 years because of the technological breakthroughs we're passing by. And this can sound a little bit cheesy, I would say, but hey, give me your words, give me what you think, and of course, feel free to roast Cream as well. But yeah, why don't you hear a little bit about our thoughts?
Yeah, I think it's an exciting time. I mean, most people still don't even use a merchant of record. The payment space is just room for so much innovation. But I think what it really comes down to is that there's going to be millions upon millions of solopreneurs, indie hackers, AI entrepreneurs. The entire concept of where businesses come from and who makes them is getting disrupted. I think VCs better watch out that there's going to be, 1 million ships setting sail, and they're used to funding a few thousand, but there's going to be 1 million indie hackers and entrepreneurs. They all need payments, but much more. They need like a full system to help them do their work, and they don't have like accounting departments. They don't have finance departments. So when there's companies like Cream that can do all that stuff in one and handle all the boring stuff so they can ship, I think that's super exciting. exciting. And of course, yeah, there's been lots of action in the merchant of record space, especially this summer. And yeah, only a fraction of people still have ever heard of companies like this. And there's just so much opportunity to make people's lives so much easier and help them grow their business. Yeah, a vision for even things like crypto, you know?
Yeah.
Even things like
absolutely.
crypto, I think that's going to be really big. And even with stuff going on in the US, you might see a different crypto landscape. So who knows?
Oh yeah, yeah, completely agree, and a little bit of a hot topic on the U.S. crypto regulation side. But hey, this really resonates as well with us, and especially thinking about, hey, these guys actually need some type of operational system or growth revenue engine to help them. As you guys know, we want to take care of all of that. We want to make something that really takes out that burden of you, helps alleviate that operational task and that operational effort that you're going to need to build a successful startup. Hey cameraman, wait for me. All right. But yeah guys, super exciting times. We are very, very optimistic about the future and what it looks like. These features and this whole suite of features that we are developing packaged in this nice operational system is something that we see like it's going to truly revolutionize how people are able to start, launch and grow their businesses online. Stay tuned. We are going now to have a beer, chit chat a little bit about the future, and yeah, we'll catch you guys soon. Bye bye.
See ya.